Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the corner mount for the Blink Doorbell system. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. Now this is an optional accessory. You don't have to have this accessory if you've got one of the new Blink doorbells. The doorbell comes with a bracket on the back that you can simply just mount it straight to your wall. But what this does is it basically gives you an angle so you can mount it on the wall and then you can put your Blink doorbell on it and it kind of gives the camera an angled view. Anyway, there is not much to it. It's just a hard plastic piece. It's got an angle to it. They give you some little bitty mounting screws, and then you can tell there's a couple holes in here that match up exactly with the holes on the Blink doorbell. So if you need a corner mount, nice little accessory. Hope the unboxing helps. Thanks for watching.